Hello friends, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. In previous video we have seen the concept of the push down automata. So we have seen what is push down automata. It is finite automata plus stack, then the three components of push down automata. Then in today's video we will see the formal definition of the push down automata. As we know, push down automata is nothing but finite automata plus stack. Okay, so here we already studied the 5 tuple definition of the finite automata. So here we are now seeing the definition of the push down automata, in which there are 5 tuples: q, summation, delta, q0, f. So students, you know that these are the 5 tuples of the finite automata. So finite automata formally defines by using these 5 tuples. So in push down automata only 2 new tuples are included. So these are related to the stack. Okay, so which are those? Here uppercase gamma and the last one is the z0. So here these 2 tuples are with respect to the stack. So here we will see what are these tuples about. So we already knows about these 5 tuples. What is q? Q is the finite set of states. It is finite set of states. Then summation, input alphabet. Summation is input alphabet. Null is also included in the summation. Then delta is the transition function, or we can also call it is as a mapping function. Next, here it is the q0 is the initial state. The initial state is represented by attaching one particular arrow. Then f is the set of final, or which is also called as a acceptance state. Okay, so students, these are the 5 tuples of the finite automata. Then what about these 2 tuples which are related to the stack? Here it is the uppercase gamma. The uppercase gamma is nothing but the finite stack alphabet. Finite stack alphabet. And the last one is the z0. Z0 we can say that it is nothing but the stack symbol. So the uppercase gamma is one of the symbol from Z0. So here we can say about the transition function or the mapping function. So see here students, transition function. Transition function or mapping function is nothing but delta. If we studied about the finite automata's transition function, you know here the transition function of finite automata is q into summation, it gives q. Okay, so here that is the transition function of finite automata. But if we want the transition function of push down automata, here we are only adding that into null into uppercase gamma, which gives q into uppercase gamma. So that is the transition function for the push down automata. Specifically it is for the deterministic push down automata. And when we see the non-deterministic push down automata, for that delta will be q into summation into null into uppercase gamma, it gives 2 raised to q into tau star. So here it is also tau star. So that is the transition function for deterministic push down automata and non-deterministic push down automata. So that is very important point related to the formal definition of the push down automata. So that one is our definition, in which we have studied the 7 tuples. Out of 7 tuples, 5 are the tuples of the finite automata and only 2 new tuples we have added, which is with respect to the stack. So these 2 tuples are nothing but the finite stack alphabet and Z0 is the stack symbols. And the important point is the transition function or mapping function, how to represent. So that one is the formal definition of the push down automata. In next video we will see the examples of the push down automata. Thank you students.